Damn, dog.
It's now 7 in the morning. Justin is still going at it. He's actually pissed his pants.
Alright, so it's been about 4 hours since he started. He always gets to the very last step. And he asks me all these statement questions. Like he goes, so the next step is to get the cross, right? Yeah, stuff like that.
Are you seriously taking a video of my failures?
You're not failing.
Damn it, fool.
Oh shit, he's on the second step, guys.
Shit. Shit.
Shit, what's he doing?
Second step. Oh shit.
He's gonna tell me what he's gonna do.
No, I'm not gonna say shit. This is too much.
He's gonna be like, next.
Damn it, the pressure's on now.
Paige is grilling you. Shit.
What?
Did you eat? Was that yours? Was that yours?
That white ass boy.
Tell me where. Damn it.
I wasn't.
Okay.
Do you want one?
No,
Well,
I don't.
I asked when you were at it. Do you want one? Yes. Or no? Want one?
Come on, Justin.
I really don't like the pressure.
What pressure? We're not giving you pressure. It's only been 2 minutes and 30 seconds or so.
Really? Shit!
This is his focused face. Right there.
Just threw me
Examining
off.
the cube.
Shit. You just threw me off.
My bad.
Oh my god. It smells so bad down there.
See, you smelled it as soon as you passed the
Oh
bills
my
out.
god.
It smells like hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, cookies. I didn't know I had cookies in my hand. That's surprising. I love the smell of hand sanitizer. Makes me feel clean and
Does it?
sober.
I don't think he should post this one.
This train of thought. So serious. Why are you so serious?
Okay.
Oh, look at the speed demon right here.
Oh, yeah, speed demon. Fucking taking me 20 minutes to fucking...
What is
Go the
this
speed
fourth
limit. God,
time?
slow down.
Is it a movie?
Yes, so.
You bullet train? Japan, went so fast. Slow down.
Stupid.
Slow down.
We're not
I
Japan.
just wanna get to know ya. Don't turn around.
Oh, Rubik Cube and singing? Oh god, surprise.
No,
It's an amazing video.
shit, I lost it. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, where's that fucking step? Got you, boy. Hold up. I gotta think this shit through. I'm not trying to mess some shit up. Alright, so. Oh, was that shit tasty? Tasty. It was tasty. Oh, man. Oh, this isn't throwing me off at all. I've been there, Amoeba Music.
Yeah, it's cool.
They have
huh?
one in Berkeley, yeah,
Oh yeah. It's cool.
in the Bay.
In the bay.
But you would know nothing
Oh,
about
cute.
that, so.
I don't.
Alright, so where the hell am I here? Okay. Bam. Bam. I know you want some. Okay.
What?
I made the corners. Oh man, I'm freaking retarded sometimes. That was bad. I shouldn't say retarded. That was really bad.
Mentally deficient.
What's up, Parson? Where you at, man?
What the?
I'm
Short-
in Eric and JR's room
short interval
fixing a Rubik's Cube. I need to get
from
back to it now for the
Rubik's
recording,
Cube.
okay? Right now?
Go to Amoeba.
Okay, why, you want to sleep?
Oh.
Okay. Alright, bye. Bye.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
Alright, back to the Rubik's Cube, right?
back to the Rubik's Cube.
What the?
Wow, Arthur. What the-
What did Arthur say? What happened?
What do you think?
It's like she'll get turned on by these images.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh
I
my
say
god. I would have killed you.
I
Oh my
say
god. Oh.
I tell you nothing. Hey, I don't rat homie out.
Oh.
Why you throwing me off, fool?
White tripping, I ain't even do nothing.
Oh!
White tripping, I ain't even do nothing. These cookies are delicious.
Small view warning.
Oh my god. Oh.
That was Paige. Sure.
It is intense.
Your battery's.
Shh!
Sorry.
He's in the zone.
Going for the 2-point
Auto
conversion. I'm so good that Ludacris should have been on the original version.
Oh my god.
I feel like I'm watching the Olympics or something.
I know.
Should be
Like golf.
Everything's going in slow motion. It's like a train wreck.
I don't understand why the commentators whisper when they're not even like on the court. What the? What?
God, if I spill water on my laptop.
I'm shaking. Look at me, I'm shaking.
How come I can't do your space bar?
It's right there. You can't do the space bar.
Weird.
Shit.
What the fuck?
Everything's Chinese. Oh.
Do you see what's happening?
No. Keep going.
Did I do something wrong?
Oh no. Just keep going, Jesse.
We have what?
Pencil.
What's that?
This is for freedom.
It's for fucking
that?
freedom.
This is for liberty.
What?
We're gonna hear this on the YouTube video.
Oh my god. We are gonna hear something.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Did I just solve a Rubik's Cube? Did I just solve a Rubik's Cube? I just
victory
solved the
dance.
fucking Rubik's Cube without
right
anybody's
here.
help.
Right
I'm
here.
just trying to get down. I'm just saying.
Oh, why
I just
tripping?
wanna.
I ain't even do
I
nothing.
ain't even tripping. I ain't even doing
Do
nothing.
Justin, Uh-oh, Lucy dance.
I think I just solved it. It's kind of cool.
Yay.
It's kind of good.
Snaps for Justin. Snaps for Justin.
Stop myself and do it again.
Oh shit. Okay. No. I'll do it tomorrow.